I goofed up the first intro. Anyways, what's up, Wheelers? It's Friday. We got another Frim Friday. The boys are looking out the window. They're having a good time. It's a beautiful Thursday while I'm filming this, but we'll watch it tomorrow. You'll watch it tomorrow. But anyways, like I said, I want to do like a little recap kind of thing of the stuff this week. And boy, did we have a lot of stuff. We had so much stuff this week. So much. I think we found K cases. I think that's what they are. I still haven't like figured out the case situation and which one is which one. I don't know. It doesn't really matter. But yeah, I think we found K case. So that means that we found like stuff like this guy. Ooh, I do like the little drone guys just because they come apart. I mean, they're neat-ish. I feel like if you were to have them on a track, they would explode when they hit stuff. And that's always fun. We like things that explode. We also found a pretty good bat guy. Like I said, usually I'm not a big bat guy fan, but this is not a bad-looking bat guy. I think because it looks more like a car than a bat guy. On our trip to the south, I found a whole bunch of, like, old stuff. But I guess that's what happens. I'm fairly new to, littler cars. I used to have bigger cars, and now I have littler cars. So, I've missed some of the stuff throughout the years, and I think I found some of them. So, one of the things that I found that I thought was really cool was this Bajaha guy. Bajaha man! Look at him go! It's really cool. I always like these types of trucks. I always like watching them as they go, like, through the desert. Like, you've probably seen the suspension video where it's just like, doo-doo-doo, and the tires are going crazy. That's a reference that nobody gets but me, so that's fine. I've also found, well, I've seen these before, these gasser guys. I haven't bought this one, but I figured everybody seems to like the Willies, so I might as well get one of these, open it up, let you guys see it. Look at that. Plus, I mean, it's cool. It's really cool. And then this one's probably my favorite, and we'll take a closer look at this guy. But man, this little van. Oh, it's so cute. But then again, like I said, I love the V-dubs. I love the V-dubs. All right, I made a list of stuff, so I didn't remember. So we're Friday again. We got K case. One thing I haven't found is the new Barbie car. Like, the Barbie movie comes out today, I think, today or tomorrow. I don't know. Either way, it's coming out, and I can't find it. I saw people on the. I punched that. I saw people on the Reddit saying, like, posting pictures of like 100 of them. I found 0. I kind of want one, but can't find them. All right. Anyways, we got distracted. We're going back to old stuff. We found old stuff. Another thing that we found was this Sprinter van. I think this one's fairly new. Again, if you want to see like closer ups of these, I did unboxing in all the shorts, so you could just find the one that it is and look at it there. Yeah, so I got the Sprinter van. Sprinter van's pretty neat. I guess it's not everybody's cup of tea because it's kind of more realistic looking, but I want a Sprinter van that turns into a little like camper thing, so I don't know. I got it. Another thing that came out this week, well, kind of last week, on my trip to the south, oh boy, the milk story. I hadn't seen neon speeders for ever yet. So I was looking and I was looking and I was looking and I found some in a dump bin that somebody had poured chocolate milk into. So I don't know if you noticed in the unboxing, but yeah, there was a lot of chocolate milk on these, which was pretty gross, but I was like, oh man, I haven't found these. I'm on a trip right now, so I probably missed them at our Walmart, so I gotta get them, right? While I'm here. And then $3.50. Are you kidding me? 3? They're cool, right? They're cool. But I got up to the register. It was like $30. I'm like, are you kidding me? No, what? And then I got milk covered ones. And then you know what happened? I got home, our display was full. But we'll take a look at it. This one's my favorite one, but I really like this casting. I don't know. It's like, it's got a lot of like weird little like squiggly parts on the front. Like, I like it. well, we'll take instead of me shoving it in the camera, I have a thing set up for that, weirdly enough. There we go. Sorry, Wheelers. I'm a little bit scatterbrained. I do all these in like one shot, and then I'll just edit it. But, yeah, I kind of like doing it. Like, I'm used to Twitch, so I'm used to kind of a little bit more free-style kind of thing, where I just kind of don't edit out my mistakes. Or rambles, like this one. The only thing is there's no chat, but I guess your chat. All right, Wheelers, your chat today. Anyways, I like this casting a lot. I think it's neato. There was a lot of other hatches. Like, we had this guy, the Ford Focus RS, the V-Dubs. We had the Civic. I made some cool videos on those. I had all of them on these little 3D printed stands that I made spinning around, so that was kind of cool. One thing is, we're getting close to almost 500 subs, which is... We have 400 now the time that I'm shooting this, and that is mind-boggling to me. That's insane. So, first of all, thank you guys. Yeah, I have here old stuff from the South. The Milk Story. Neon speeders being too expensive. That leads me to international homies. I don't know why, but, hi Indonesians, hi Indian people. What's up? Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching my shorts. Numbers 1, 2, and 3 places that watch me are the US, Indonesia, and India. So that's pretty cool. I'm glad that I have international homies. So thanks for watching. If you post things that aren't in English, I translate it, and I'll usually reply in English just because it's translating back and forth might be confusing. But I do read them if I can, and Google will translate them. So thanks again, guys. I really appreciate it. And the reason I was going to that is that these longer ones, once we get to 500 subscribers, I need 3,000 watch hours of not shorts. So we don't have that yet, but I'm going to do one of these a week, and then I think I'm going to do a style of video like I did with the Neon Speeders, but with the orange Matchbox, since I have that complete set. And I'll probably do some other complete sets too, because I have some other ones that I can do that with. So again, these long form ones, I'm going to do a little, probably under 10 minutes. This one might be a little bit longer because I got so much stuff still to talk about, and I'm rambling. Yeah, anyways, we'll go really quick here. I finally found the V-Dub. I can't remember if this is the 1 or the 2 or the 3, but I did find the rarer mystery models. So those were cool. I've been really wanting this one, so I'm glad that I got it. Again, V-Dubs. I found another one of the Matchbox 70th anniversaries. It was the Fjord, which is pretty cool. I mean, it's got a little engine bay in there. Like, look at that little guy. It's pretty cool. I mean, it's Matchbox, so it's like realistic-y-er. And also, are these really rubber? Yeah, they're rubber tires. So I wanted to make sure. Another thing is, I don't remember what the name of this set was exactly, but I only found one. I think it's American Muscle. I'd have to look it up, but I'm not going to do that right now. But I don't know. I only found one. Again, this was in the chocolate milk dump bin, so thank you, whoever dumped chocolate milk in there. I hate you. Rude dude behavior. That is like top tier rude dude behavior. I can't believe it. So anyways, KK stuff, some main lines, I don't know why I'm talking like that. Some main lines that I thought were really cool is this. Like, I had never seen one that's like this. Little guy there. Another one that I thought was cool. Where'd it go? This one. And honestly, I think this is my car of the week. Car of the week! I was really kind of surprised by this one. I hadn't seen it before, and it's cool. But then again, I really like mini trucks, so it's right in my wheelhouse of things. And I really like that truck. I'd say that's my car of the week. I'll do a little thing on the top there, and it'll be like do. Or maybe not. I might get too lazy because that might be more complicated than I think it is. But anyways, car of the week. This little guy. Moving on. There was a lot of kind of off-roady ones too that were pretty cool. This guy, the Baja one, the little van guy was pretty cool. This seems bigger than it needs to be. Like, it seems like it's bigger scale than everything else, but I don't know. Ice cream van that somebody pointed out that they hated the music. Sorry, you win some, you lose some. Honestly, finding music is the hardest thing because it has to be copyright free, royalty free, and that's hard to find, so I have a limited library. If anybody wants to like link me a free library that I can download to use, I would really like it, because between Ragnarok Online BGMs and this one like 150 lo-fi thing that I found, I haven't really found a lot else that is usable. So yeah, no, if anybody wants to send that, I would appreciate it. Again, we got a little chicken man, which is pretty good. Pretty good. Got another one of these guys, which are fun. Somebody asked if they do Lego. I'm pretty sure it says it works with your bricking things, so I'm guessing it does. Got the black Malibu Surf guy. I really like that one as well. What else did we have? Let's check our list. Next. These are the dollar store. Like, I guess Walmart must have clearanced them out. They're the Lightyear ones. My dollar store only had the Dollar Tree. They only had these two, but I mean, they are the character cars, so I think they're like $5 or something when you buy them new. But dollar store, check them out. They're not in their system, and the ladies at the dollar store will go, "Oh no!" They're very nice. I like the ladies at the dollar store. Some other cool things that we got: Clip Coupe as a car coupe in the what was it called? Anodized black. Like that's a good color. I think that's my favorite color, Clip Coupe, and this is my favorite, obviously, Clip Completion. All right, we thanked the homies. We said hi to everybody. We talked about the dollar store stuff. We had car of the week. Couple more honorable mentions. I don't know how to say this. Automobili. It's really hard, and even the color name is very hard to say. So I'm not even gonna try, even though I just did. So apologies to Italy. But yeah, no, this is my favorite livery. Like, I don't like it I didn't really like it in the yellow or the other colors, but I really like whatever this is called, which I cannot pronounce. This little flat Mazda guy. It's pretty good for Flat Guy Friday. A Flat Friend Friday. And really, let's see here. We didn't talk about this little mutt. That's kind of neat. Again, I found these in the South. This was also in the chocolate milk dump bin. Some places in the South just had wheels from like 2019 for some reason, or I don't remember exactly, but like a few years ago, which is rare around here. But maybe I was the one that bought up all the ones that were not there. But either way, I'm gonna end it here because I'm hot and I want to sit down and I want to watch and see what Hassan is mad about today. Because that's what I do. Because I'm an old man. Anyways, Larry, come here. Where's hanging back? Larry, you destroyed everything, buddy. That's okay. All right, say bye, everybody. Keep on wheeling. Yum, yum, yum. Keep on wheeling, everybody. Bye. We'll see you next week. Like, comment, subscribe. I don't know why I'm so high-pitched. It's because I have Larry and he's really cute. Bye, guys. Keep on wheeling. Boo.